your skin barrier might be compromised. Your skin barrier is what keeps hydration in and irritation out. You'll start to notice signs like tightening or stinging. So what do? You simplify. I'm going in with Cocokind Milk Cleanser. To hydrate, I'm going in with Prequel 50/50 Moisturizer. And we're not forgetting the neck. To lock everything in, I'm going in with Prequel Barrier Therapy Cream. And we're showing some love to our neck as well. During the day, I am wearing e.l.f. Invisible SPF. It's great for melanated skin. To hydrate my lips, I'm going in with the coconut lip oil. Bye!